In terms of segmentation, sales of fab equipment are expected to decline 18.8% to $76.4 billion in 2023, recovering to $87.8 billion in 2024, an increase of 14.8%, and accounting for the vast majority of the total $100 billion in sales in 2024. The back-end equipment segment continues to decline in 2023. Due to challenging macroeconomic conditions and weak semiconductor demand, semiconductor test equipment is expected to contract 15% to $6.4 billion, and packaging equipment is projected to decline 20.5% to $4.6 billion. In contrast, the test equipment and packaging equipment segments are expected to grow 7.9% and 16.4%, respectively, through 2024. From the point of view of the application division, foundry and logic applications of equipment sales, accounted for more than half of the total sales of fab equipment, is expected to decline by 6% year-on-year in 2023 to $50.1 billion, reflecting the end of the market conditions are weak. DRAM device sales are expected to decline 28% to $8.8 billion in 2023 and rebound 31% to $11.6 billion in 2024, as consumer and enterprise demand for memory storage continues to weaken. NAND device sales are expected to decline 51% to $8.4 billion and surge 59% to $13.3 billion in 2024. By region, China, Taiwan, and South Korea are expected to remain the top three destinations for equipment spending in 2023 and 2024. Taiwan, China is expected to regain the lead in 2023, and mainland China is expected to return to the top spot in 2024, despite the current macroeconomic downturn. The semiconductor equipment market is expected to rebound strongly in 2024, after a correction in 2023. Said Ajit Monaco, President and CEO of Semi. Long-term strong growth forecasts, driven by high-performance computing and ubiquitous connectivity, remain unchanged. Follow me to bring you up to date on the latest cutting-edge trends and future directions.